Ocean acidification is a reduction in the pH of the ocean, which causes the seawater to be more acidic.
For those who don't know, pH is a measure of how acidic or basic a substance is. A score lower than 7 means it's more acidic, and higher than 7 means more basic. Acidic means that the solution has a higher concentration of hydrogen ions.
Ocean acidification occurs when CO2 is absorbed by seawater during the gas exchange in between the years of 1751 and 2020, when the average pH of the ocean has changed from 8.25 to 8.14. Human activity has led to ocean acidification by burning fossil fuels like coal, oil and gas, and deforestation, which results in fewer trees to absorb carbon dioxide. Some environmental effects of ocean acidification include changes in behavior of animals in the oceans. Certain fish's ability to detect predators is lessened, which leaves entire species vulnerable.
If even one species is in danger, the entire fleet would be as well, and many communities rely on fish as their primary food source.
Another effect includes certain organisms having a harder time building and maintaining their shells, like coral or clams. Ocean acidification affects mollusks more specifically.
Mollusks are an invertebrate animal lacking a backbone that has a soft and divided body, and most have an external shell. Examples include snails, slugs, and mussels.
Less calcium carbonate means these organisms have weaker shells, which makes them vulnerable to predators and crashing waves. They're also at the base of the food web when they are in their larval state. Coral bleaching can also be caused by ocean acidification. The rising in acidity makes it harder for coral to build their skeletons, and new research has shown that ocean acidification hinders the process of growing their skeletons. It decreases the density of the skeletons and makes them more prone to breaking. Coral skeletons are made of aragonite, which is a form of calcium carbonate. Due to ocean acidification, there is less calcium carbonate.
For every creature who doesn't know, coral bleaching is when corals expel the algae that lives in their tissues. This causes them to be completely white. Though the coral is not dead in this state, they are subject to stress and mortality. Coral bleaching can be due to many different changes in conditions like temperature, light, or nutrients.
Ocean acidification can actually be linked to climate change. When humans burn fossil fuels, it causes there to be more CO2 in the atmosphere, causing climate change. When there's more CO2 in the atmosphere, there's more gas that is absorbed and exchanged with slash into the ocean, causing ocean acidification. I know this seems like a lot, but there is something you can do to help prevent ocean acidification. You can fight to limit the burning and use of fossil fuels. We can also cut the amount we use, like driving, burning fires, or using less electricity.